Home Remedies presents.
Spray this in your house and you will never see flies or mosquitoes again. As the weather gets warmer, we often want to open all the windows in our homes. However, this can attract pests looking to come inside. But there is a simple plant that can help keep these unwanted visitors away. Many insects dislike the scent of peppermint. The strong minty aroma keeps away various pests like moths, ants, flies, mosquitoes, and spiders, along with harmful bugs in vegetable gardens. Peppermint not only smells great and stimulates our senses, but it also has many benefits for both mental and physical health. It can help combat various illnesses and encourage relaxation and comfort. If you are looking to enhance the air quality in your home and keep pests away, here's an easy and affordable remedy to consider. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Ingredients: pure filtered water, half liter, peppermint essential oil, 10 drops, a clean spray bottle. Preparation: pour the water into your spray bottle. Add 10 drops of peppermint essential oil and mix thoroughly. Spray your mixture in all the rooms of your house and concentrate on the areas where you have already detected the presence of insects and mice.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.